Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here again, with another video. So yesterday I did, Turkish chips. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna play with CEO. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, brows are done. Not, proud of them brows, but we're just gonna, ignore them and move along. So yeah, so these are these little mini palettes from P.Louise. So this is Bank of P.Louise, stack them up. And then this is Turkish chip. I did this one already. And this is the next one, which we're gonna do today. And this one looks like so. This is so pretty, so pretty. So yeah, so we're just gonna jump into this. My first shade I'm gonna go into is this shade right here called Ambition. And I had a brush in my hand, which I no longer have. I don't know. So this is E22 from Morphe, and we're gonna go into Ambition. Oh, this is gonna be a good purple. I love me a good purple. And then we just stamping. And I'm not blending this except the edges, because you need all that pigmentation. No. Ooh, these brushes. I think I'm already almost ready to wash brushes again. I just need to make some time. I need a fluffy brush. Okay, so this is a T83 and we're gonna go, I'm thinking Empire. We're gonna go in Empire. We're just gonna stamp this right here. So you stamp and then you just, swirl a little bit. And now I go back to Ambition. Right, that's fine. This 441 will work. Is that a 441? Yep, 441. I'm gonna go into Priceless, which is this shade right here. And then we're gonna use that to just blend the edges.
That we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even want to try, I need to know it.
And now I'm gonna go back into Empire and just stamp this, and then back. Okay, now I need something flat. This is a T48 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna put some of my glue from Nyx. Just cleaning this up a little bit, and first, I'm gonna go into Bankroll, which is this shade right here, and after that, I'm gonna go into Icon. So first, we're gonna go into Bankroll. Okay, now I need an M506, and now we're gonna go into Icon, and I'm just gonna use that to just blend the edges, right here. So it's nice and blended. Like so. And now I'm gonna go back to that first shade, which is Ambition, and just make sure this is, see, nice and blended. Now I'm gonna go in and just do a wing real quick on this eye, and then we're gonna go off camera. But let me do my wing first. So I just start like right here. I'm also not the best with this wing. This is called Dragon Liner, but I'm not sure which company this is from. Oh, and then I'm gonna use this. This is the Magic Extension from MAC. That's their no mascara. This is actually pretty good. Well, the thing is, it have a very strong smell. So if you don't like smells, maybe this might not be for you. But I like it. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this look. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. I love this look. Lashes a bit big, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. I actually ordered this from AliExpress, and this is the 6D C50 if you guys are interested, but I know these are massive. I feel like I'm going a little bit, you know, crazy with my eyelashes, but... And today, to set my face, I use my Versace Skin Tone Blur Perfecting Primer. So let's go with that. I'm gonna use this foundation again. This is the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot. But I think I'm gonna do what I did yesterday on my last video. I keep saying yesterday, like, you know, these videos are gonna go out together, which they're not. So this is all I'm gonna put, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Juvia's Place. I did not put a little bit. I'm gonna use this. What is this? This is just a MAC brush, nothing special. And I'm gonna, like, you know, almost like I'm spot checking a little bit. I feel like this is a lot, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna take my foundation brush from Ruce. I still feel like that's light, but you know, we're gonna make it work. But man, are you seeing this? This is like airbrushed. Man, them brows, you know, like some days you get like really good brows, and then other days, like today, not so much. I mean, it's funny, my brows are jacked, but you know, you just have to move along. Like, no, it's every day, you know. Oops, you win some, you lose some. Today I lose the brow, but you know, I'm gonna make it work, because I can't spend a whole video like fixing my brow. So you just move along and keep it moving. I need a different concealer, because I've been using the same concealer for like a week, but I can't find my other concealer. So after that, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape, because I don't know what I want. She's not my favorite concealer, but it's just gonna have to work. It's gonna have to work. Okay. I actually haven't used this in a minute, and that's not like me. I'm literally been like cheating on my, you know, bronzer from Tarte, for my contour cream. This is from Huda Beauty. It's my favorite. This just blends like butter. Blends like a dream. I love this, but I know I haven't used it in a minute because I have to use other things, you know, like, but this is my favorite. Right, and you see how it just blends. Man, I just dirty my lashes. Tap this and let it stay here nicely. Okay, let's go ahead and blend my concealer. I'm gonna use this M335 from Morphe. I know I'm more like concentrated on this concealer. I need to be quick with this concealer. That's one thing with this concealer, it gets dry really fast. So you can't leave it for too long. I've already left this for too long, so I just need to blend it quickly. Let's go ahead and set that, and to set that I'm gonna use my Fenty banana powder. I need to I need to remember to wet my spot. And just a little bit in the forehead. And look at this. And I'm telling you guys, I look at this, like you can see this, like I have like. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty, same thing, except this one is the honey shade. I know under my eye is kind of heavy, but I always do that because I have to go back in there. And I know under my eye look crazy, it's fine. We gonna fix that, we gonna fix that. Just gonna put a little bit of primer. And I'm using a 443 from Morphe, aka pencil brush. Just a pencil brush would work. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go with Ambition and blend it out with Priceless, maybe. Man, these lashes are huge. Huge. Ras Cranberry Sparkling Water from LaCroix. Amazing. I'm gonna put a little bit of Empire. Like right here. You know what? Empire is gonna work. Yeah, I might just do Empire. That's it.
That's it. Move. That's move your hip. Come on.
I feel like I'm gonna put a little bit of Icon and then bankroll. Just to, you know, mimic what I did up a little bit. Not too much though. Now I'm just gonna bring down bankroll. You know, just seal the deal. And I'm using my Rephr 03 brush. Now I need something for my waterline. This is gonna work. And this is what? Missed Me from Marc Jacobs. Like there my face looks a little bit yellow. I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and bronze the face. What bronzer am I gonna use? I need to start changing up my bronzers because I use the same bronzers all the time. This is Tawny medium skin bronzer from Makeup Geek. Trying to find a blush. Let's use She's Adorable from Patrick Ta, which looks like so. And let's go ahead and put some highlighter on. And I'm actually using Topaz highlighter from Jouer Cosmetics. So this is from Dose of Colors. Drama should work. These are actually not my favorite lip liners. They're not that great. But it's one of the things, like, you already have it, so you just use it. Oops. I'm not even gonna deal with this. So this is Full On Plumping Lip Cream from Buxom. And this shade is Pumpkin Chai Latte. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. I like the lip gloss. I just don't know if I like the, you know, the lip combo. Yep, I mean, I prefer that than what I had before. Just, you know, give my hair this wet look. Okay. Oops, I almost forgot my earrings. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. Again, I love P.Louise base. I love I've used their base for like ever, and I love it. So and I've used her shadows before, and it's amazing. So if you can get your hands, you know, on some of her shadows, go for it. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. You know, we're trying to grow here, and guess what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.